Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Goodwill valuation. Today is the last class. As I told you in the previous class, today we are going to work out one problem, but this is going to cover three methods: super profit method, capitalization of super profit method and annuity method. Three methods in one problem, so that you will have more clarity and it will be a very good revision also. Just I will read the problem. After reading the problem, you try to work out. Then you can check your answer with my answer. And if you are doing well, please do write it in the comment box that you got the answer. I feel very happy. By the way, hope you have subscribed to our channel. Please do share these videos with many students. Maybe your friends, seniors or juniors, whoever it may be, please recommend this channel, so that they will also get the benefit without any charges. I am doing this channel. So please do share. Now let's come to the problem. I will read the problem very slowly, understand it, then after that you start workouting. If possible, I will not read, just you can see the problem, note down and you can work out any method. Anyway, let me explain this problem. What is given? Calculation of goodwill as per 5 years purchase of super profit method, means super profit method, first method, and also goodwill as a capitalization of super profit method, second method also, and calculate goodwill as per annuity method. Three methods they are asking. What is the information given? Profit earned first year, second year, third year. 3 years profits are given. You have to calculate the average profit. If any adjustments are there, that will do it. Then we will be getting the adjusted average profit. Next, normal rate is given to us 10%. Capital employed. This is given, no headache, simple problem. Capital employed is 3 lakh. And annuity factor 3.78. The profits included non-recurring profits of 4,000. Always remember, anything non-recurring that we have to deduct less. And what they are saying, non-recurring profits 4,000, out of which it was deemed that even non-recurring profits had a tendency of appearing. Non-recurring is having a tendency of appearing the rate of 1000 rupees. Once again it is going to appear. So that kind of thing is 1000. This we are going to add. Non-recurring always will deduct, but this is having a tendency of repeating. Means this we are going to add to the average profit. Now simple, we will work out the problem. First, average profit. Step number 1. You have to write the formulas. I am not writing because I have already written over there. Okay. First you have to write the formula. Average profit is equal to profit of 2015, like this you have to write the formula. Now directly I am writing profit of 50,000, 60,000 and 55,000 by 3. 50 plus 60, 1,10,000. 1,10,000 plus 55,000. 1,65,000 divided by 3. 55,000 is the average profit. We have adjustments. Non-recurring profit will deduct it. Less non-recurring profit. What? 4,000. And also recurring tendency, recurring profit, that will add it. And recurring tendency, no? Recurring profit 1,000. If you deduct 55,000 minus 54,000 means 51,000. 51 plus 1, 52,000. 55 minus 54, 51,000. So 51,000, we are adding 1,000 means 52,000. This is adjusted average profit. And second point is that capital employed. Capital employed, it is already given 3 lakh. Then after that, normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. Capital employed is 3 lakh. Normal rate of return is here 10%. It is 30,000 normal profit. Then after that, super profit. Super profit is equal to adjusted average profit, where it is this one, 52,000 minus normal profit. Normal profit 30,000. It is 22,000. Super profit, you got it. Now we will calculate the super profit as per 3 methods. So we can draw one line here up to here. What we need, adjusted average profit we got, capital employed is given, normal profit we found, and super profit. 4 steps are over. Okay. Now next, calculation of profit. First method is as per the purchase of super profit. You can say goodwill, valuation of goodwill as per purchase of 5 years. Did you remember the formula? What is the formula? Super profit into 5 years purchase. Super profit is here, we got it 22,000. 22,000 into 5. One lakh 10,000 you are getting. So this is as per the first method. Then after that we will go for second method. This is over. Next, second method, valuation of goodwill as per capitalization of super profit. Valuation of goodwill as per capitalization of super profit. What is the formula? Did you remember? The formula is super profit by normal rate into 100. Super profit is here, you know, 22,000. Normal rate is 10%, 10 into 100. 2,20,000. Next, last method, valuation of goodwill as per annuity method. Goodwill as per annuity method. So formula is goodwill into annuity factor, sorry, super profit into annuity factor. Into annuity factor. Super profit is, you know, 22,000 into annuity factor is 3.78. Okay, 22,000 into 3.78, 83,160. That's all, over. Okay. First take a screenshot or pause the video and note down. If you can work out this problem, any problem related to the valuation of goodwill you can work out. So please make it sure, only the formulas you remember and this procedure. Step number one, average profit, and if any adjustments are there, adjusted average profit, okay, average profit, adjusted average profit. Second, step number 2, capital employed. If capital employed is not given, we have to calculate as per the total assets minus current liabilities. If you are calculating, then you have to go for the average capital employed also. How do you get average capital employed? Capital employed minus half of the current year profit. If directly capital employed is given, need not to calculate this one, need not to deduct half of the current year's profit, not required. Okay. And after that, normal profit formula, remember, capital employed into normal rate of return, normal rate you will get. Next after that, super profit is always average, adjusted average profit minus normal profit. Up to here, if you get, just apply these formulas. As per the super profit method, formula is super profit into 5 years purchase, how many years purchased. So this is as per the super profit. Second one, as per the capitalization of super profit by normal rate into 100. Next, as per the annuity, super profit into annuity factor. That's all, nothing is there. If you get valuation of goodwill in the examination, please do not leave it. You have to score 100%. The problem is related to 10 marks. 10 marks you have to score. Don't lose even a single mark also. Formulas and everything neatly you write. Okay, underline it. Clearly mention it step by step as I have done. I know your handwriting is definitely better than my handwriting. Exam hall, when I used to write the final exam, my handwriting was not like this. Very neatly and maintaining distance and underlining, showing the working note separately. All these things I used to do as a student. Hope you are also following in the same way. Board anyway, I am working out like this. When it comes to the exam and neatly writing, maintaining notes and all these things, as a student it was something different. Anyway, student life will never come back. Study well. This student life will give you bright career. Please trust on this. Work out throughout the year. Revise before exams. Follow this funda. By the way, don't forget to share these videos. Stay connected. I'll give you maximum of my knowledge as per my age, as per my energy, as per my time. Definitely I will give you the best of my services. I just promise you all. Stay connected. Good luck.